bet you've never thought about your vagina quite like this before. We're about to embark on a mind blowing journey into one of the most fascinating biological systems in the human body. All right, let's start with the basics. The vagina is like a fortress with its own built in cleaning crew. It maintains a naturally acidic environment with a pH between 3.8 and 4.5. But why is this important? Well, this acidity is like a force field against harmful bacteria. It's mind blowing when you think about it. Your vagina is basically creating its own antibacterial solution. But there's more to the story than just pH levels. Let's zoom in even further and meet the unsung heroes of vaginal health, the microbiome. Imagine a thriving community of beneficial bacteria, mainly from the lactobacillus family, living harmoniously in your vagina. The star of the show is lactobacillus, which produces lactic acid. This is what keeps your vaginal pH in that sweet spot we talked about earlier. It's amazing how these tiny organisms play such a huge role in your health. They're constantly at work producing antimicrobial compounds and competing with harmful bacteria for resources. It's like a microscopic turf war, and the good guys are winning. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Your vagina isn't just relying on pH and bacteria, it's got a whole army of immune cells patrolling the area. These cells are like tiny soldiers, always on the lookout for invaders. They work hand in hand with the microbiome to keep you healthy. But wait, there's more. Your hormones are also part of this incredible system. As your estrogen levels fluctuate throughout your menstrual cycle, they affect the thickness and composition of your vaginal mucus. This, in turn, influences the balance of your microbiome. It's like a beautifully choreographed dance with hormones, immune cells, and bacteria all moving in perfect harmony. The vagina is truly a marvel of biological engineering. It's self cleaning, self regulating, and way smarter than any product you could buy at the drugstore. Remember, when it comes to vaginal health, less is definitely more. Dousing or using scented products can disrupt this delicate ecosystem, potentially leading to infections. Trust in your body's design. It's pretty darn amazing. Next time you think about your vaginal health, remember this incredible microscopic world working tirelessly to keep you healthy.